Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So very quickly guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to mine real Bitcoin using just your smartphone. As you can see right now, I'm using my smartphone to actually record this particular video. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to start mining Bitcoin, whether you are online or you are offline. Your Bitcoin will just keep on stacking up. Alright, so looking over here, you can see that currently I've got about $1.29 worth of Bitcoin, and of course on my GoMining I have about the same price, 1.17. basically I've actually mined in Bitcoin and I've mined in GoMining. That is why there are two right here, but GoMining is the utility token of this particular platform, and of course Bitcoin is the major thing that we are mining right here. So basically I've accumulated about $2.46 right on this platform since I started mining few days ago. All right, so to be able to start mining, it's very easy. First thing you need is to create an account. All right, so the link to actually create an account is going to be on the video description box. All right, and basically on this video I want to be showing you guys what I've earned so far since I started mining on this particular platform called GoMining. So looking over here guys, there are a lot of stuff that you need to take care of right here, but first of all, as someone who hasn't even started before, let me show you some of the things that you should be expecting to see immediately you open this app. All right, so once you open the app guys, this is what you're going to be seeing. You are going to be given what we call bonus miner. All right, so looking over here right now, you can see currently I have two miners right here, whereby the first one is bonus miner. All right, so on this bonus miner, this is for everyone. Immediately you create an account, you are going to be given this bonus miner, and basically this bonus miner earn your real Bitcoin every single day. Just that the Bitcoin it is going to be earning you maybe very small. So I went ahead to actually upgrade, but then I got myself this particular one right here. You can see this one is mining on a power of 0.10 terahash, and this one is currently mining at 8 terahash. All right, so over here guys, this is just like NFT. Your Bitcoin mining machine is just like NFT owned by you, and one good thing is that this is not just visual. All right, so this is a visual representation of a real Bitcoin mining machine sitting at a site. All right, so looking over here, you can see watch live mining. Clicking over here, this is going to show you several videos, live videos of where Bitcoin are mining. So basically you are just holding, this is just like you controlling a dashboard of a real Bitcoin mining machine somewhere else. All right, so over here guys, so far so good. I've got about $2.46 right here. So another thing that I needed to take note of is of course the tasks that you need to complete in order to increase the efficiency of your bonus miner. So looking over here right now, let me take you to the mining and show you the bonus miner. Over here on the bonus miner, when I click on it, you can see that you can actually customize it if you wish. You can customize it if you wish. Now let me get this off the screen. Okay, so over here guys, you can customize if you wish, but over here guys, we have the task right here, and looking over here, the tasks, some of the tasks are no longer available for me. So immediately you create an account, you make sure you complete all the necessary tasks right here, because the more tasks that you actually complete, the more your power increases, and that actually increases the output of your own miner. All right, so looking over here, you can actually choose a different appearance, and over here on upgrade, you can choose to this is basically where you see the upgrade that you get for completing some tests, certain tasks. So let me just go back right now and show you something else. Now let me show you the reward that I've gotten so far from this. So this is my dashboard right here. This basically shows you the total, that is the overall output or information that you need to have at hand about your mining. Over here, this shows the total reward you have got so far. This shows how many miner you are using. This shows your power and of course your main efficiency. So scrolling up right now, this is where the reward are showing, but let me go to it through I will click on reward right now. Then I'm going to have to allow this to load completely. So looking over here right now, you can see these are the reward that I get every single day. So for just using 8.1 terahash power to mine, I'm earning 384 satoshi in Bitcoin every single day. So for example, right now, every single day I get this particular notification that I'm about to show you right now. Okay, you can see this notification right here that says your miner earned so amount. This is the type of notification that I get every single day. Okay, so going back right now, you can see that is how I keep on getting it. And one important thing that you need to know right here is that you can make withdrawal if you want to. And for those of you who may want to actually get yourself a reasonable NFT miner to actually mine even bigger, now let me blow your mind right now. Over here right now, you can see we have selling. This basically means that even after you may have gotten yourself a machine and you want to sell it, you can actually come over here and sell your machine. All right, so but before you actually sell your machine, there are a lot of things that you need to consider first. All right, so you can buy a machine that will mine even bigger, and of course you can sell it back if you care. Now let's go back right now. Let me show you some important things about the referral. Now, if you want to be referring, if you want to be joining this particular platform, there are a couple of things you need to take note of. Immediately you create your account using the link on the video description box. Simply come over here, and once you come over here, then you go ahead and link your referral code. All right, so once you click over here on this admin button right here, then you click on your profile up here, then you can see referral code. Put the referral code mechanic right here on this referral code section, so that you are going to be getting a 5% reduction. That is 5% discount on any purchase you might make on this particular app. All right, so going back right now, coming over here to the marketplace, let's see what we have right here. So over here on the marketplace, this is where you basically get to buy a mining machine. All right, so each mining machine that you actually buy right here is going to be earning you depending on the amount you use on it. All right, so before buy, you need to consider the terahash power, and of course you should apply the referral code within 30 days. You should make purchase within 30 days, else you are not going to be getting the 5% reduction in price. Or if you choose, you can just stick around with your free miner, which is of course the bonus miner, and keep earning with it. All right, so it's all as simple as that, guys. And of course, when you click over here on referral, this is where you get to refer people to join in, and of course, as the people are joining in, you are also going to be getting rewards from that. Okay, so it's as simple as this, guys, and it's a good thing to actually get started if you care. But you need to take note that this video is not a financial advice in any way. Do your research very well before you engage in any type of activity that involves crypto or involves money as a whole. All right, so basically we are going to be stopping right here, and of course if you have any question, do well to let me know right there on the comment section, and of course happy mining.